Imagine for a moment that you could shrink down to the size of a single cell and travel through the intricate, pulsating universe that exists within your own body. Every heartbeat sends ripples of energy through arteries and veins, carrying not just blood, but oxygen, nutrients, and signals that sustain life in ways both immediate and profound. The body is a complex orchestra where each organ, tissue, and cell plays a role in harmony, yet operates with astonishing autonomy, responding to countless stimuli without conscious effort. In this journey, we see that what appears ordinary, breathing, walking, digesting, reflects the culmination of microscopic events, chemical exchanges, and electrical impulses, all synchronized with subtle precision. Inside, the cardiovascular system functions not simply as a pump, but as a responsive network, adapting to activity, stress, and rest. Blood carries more than oxygen. It transports hormones, immune cells, and signaling molecules that continuously adjust the body's priorities. The nervous system, weaving through every organ, acts as both observer and director, interpreting sensory information and directing action with speed and subtlety that technology cannot yet replicate. Meanwhile, the digestive system transforms what we consume into energy, signaling satiety and balancing nutrients, all while communicating with the brain through an intricate gut-brain axis. Cellular metabolism and molecular processes maintain energy, repair, and longevity at microscopic levels. The immune system monitors, repairs, and adapts, highlighting the body's interdependent yet autonomous balance. The cardiovascular system is far more than a simple network of pipes and a pump. It is a dynamic, responsive, and adaptive system that sustains life through continuous circulation of blood, oxygen, nutrients, and signaling molecules. Each heartbeat sends waves of pressure through arteries, veins, and capillaries, ensuring that every tissue and organ receives the resources it needs to function optimally. This system is in constant dialogue with the rest of the body, adjusting to immediate demands such as physical activity, stress, or rest. When you walk, run, or even shift from sitting to standing, the cardiovascular system responds instantly, increasing heart rate, redirecting blood flow, and modulating blood pressure to maintain equilibrium and performance. Blood is not merely a carrier of oxygen. It transports essential hormones, immune cells, and chemical messengers that convey information between distant parts of the body. For example, during exercise, signals from muscles stimulate vasodilation, allowing more blood to reach the tissues in need of oxygen and nutrients. Simultaneously, the heart adjusts its rhythm and contraction strength to meet these demands, orchestrating a delicate balance that is both precise and flexible. Over time, regular activity strengthens the heart and improves vascular elasticity, enhancing the system's efficiency and resilience. Even at rest, the cardiovascular system continues its subtle work. Blood supplies the brain with oxygen and glucose, ensuring cognitive function is maintained. It removes metabolic waste, transports immune cells to monitor for infections, and delivers nutrients to support repair and regeneration. The interactions between blood, vessels, and the heart create a continuous feedback loop, where changes in one part of the body instantly influence the system as a whole. The adaptability of this system is remarkable. It can respond to sudden demands, recover from temporary imbalances, and even compensate for minor damage to vessels or tissue. Yet it is also fragile, sensitive to lifestyle, nutrition, stress, and age-related changes. Understanding the cardiovascular system as a living, responsive network rather than a static organ helps illuminate why daily choices, movement, nutrition, rest, and thought resonate throughout this universe inside us, shaping health, resilience, and longevity in ways both immediate and lifelong. The nervous system is the body's master communicator, a vast network that interprets sensory information and orchestrates responses with extraordinary precision. It connects every organ, tissue, and cell, constantly monitoring internal and external conditions and translating these signals into coordinated action. Every movement, thought, and sensation is the product of this intricate network, from the simple reflex of pulling your hand away from heat to the complex decision-making processes that guide behavior and adaptation. Neurons transmit electrical impulses at remarkable speeds, carrying information across the body, while chemical messengers, neurotransmitters, ensure that signals are properly received and acted upon. The nervous system operates on multiple levels simultaneously. The central nervous system, comprising the brain and spinal cord, integrates sensory input, processes information, and generates motor commands, while the peripheral nervous system carries these signals to and from every part of the body. This division allows the body to respond to immediate threats with reflexes while maintaining higher-order functions like coordination, balance, and planning. Even at rest, the nervous system is active, regulating heart rate, digestion, and hormone release, maintaining homeostasis without conscious effort. Adaptability is a key feature of the nervous system. Repeated experiences, practice, or movement strengthen neural pathways, improving efficiency and precision in coordination. For instance, when learning a new skill or performing a familiar movement repeatedly, the nervous system refines timing, balance, and control, reducing energy expenditure and minimizing error. It also interprets feedback from muscles, joints, and internal organs, allowing fine adjustments that optimize performance and prevent injury. The nervous system's role extends beyond immediate physical control. It influences mood, cognition, and perception, connecting physiological states with emotional and mental experience. Through this constant monitoring and coordination, the nervous system ensures that the body operates as an integrated whole, responding to environmental changes, maintaining stability, and facilitating growth, adaptation, and survival with a precision that is both delicate and resilient. The digestive system is far more than a mechanism for breaking down food. It is a sophisticated network that transforms nutrients into energy, communicates with the brain, and helps regulate overall health. Every bite of food triggers a cascade of processes, beginning with mechanical breakdown in the mouth and continuing through enzymatic digestion in the stomach and intestines. Nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are absorbed through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream, where they are transported to cells and organs to support energy production, growth, and repair. This transformation is not purely mechanical. It is deeply integrated with hormonal signaling, neural feedback, and metabolic regulation. One of the most remarkable aspects of the digestive system is its constant communication with the brain through the gut-brain axis. Signals from the gut influence hunger, satiety, mood, and even cognitive function. For example, when the stomach and intestines detect nutrients, they release hormones such as ghrelin and peptide YY that inform the brain about energy status and fullness. This feedback loop helps regulate appetite and energy balance, guiding behavior in ways that are both immediate and long-term. The digestive system also plays a critical role in supporting the microbiome, a complex ecosystem of microorganisms that influence immunity, inflammation, and metabolism. Fiber-rich foods feed beneficial bacteria, promoting gut health and reducing chronic inflammation, while poor dietary choices can disrupt this balance, leading to metabolic stress and reduced nutrient absorption. Furthermore, digestion is intertwined with energy management. Nutrient absorption influences blood sugar levels, providing a steady supply of fuel to muscles and the brain, while waste removal maintains homeostasis and prevents the accumulation of toxins. The system's efficiency is remarkable, adapting to variations in diet, activity, and internal demands to ensure the body has the resources it needs. Understanding the digestive system in this holistic way reveals it not just as a processing unit for food, but as a central regulator of energy, communication, and overall health, illustrating the profound intelligence embedded within the body's internal networks. Cellular metabolism and molecular processes maintain energy, repair, and longevity at microscopic levels.
Within each cell, countless biochemical reactions occur simultaneously, converting nutrients into energy, synthesizing essential molecules, and managing waste. Glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids are broken down in a controlled manner to produce ATP, the universal energy currency that powers everything from muscle contractions to neuronal signaling. This energy is not static, it is continuously generated, used, and recycled, allowing the body to respond instantly to movement, thought, and environmental changes. Proteins and enzymes act as molecular machines, facilitating reactions with incredible specificity and efficiency. Enzymes lower the energy required for chemical reactions, ensuring that processes essential to survival occur quickly and reliably. Proteins also serve structural and signaling roles, maintaining the integrity of tissues and coordinating communication within and between cells. Meanwhile, DNA